Okay, we're here at Kroger Park. We can see that the water looks pretty clobbered with a lot of algae, but got the white grasshopper. We're going to see if we can kind of work these pockets and maybe get something. All right, very clobbered. We see one clear spot that we may try here in a little bit. But before we go there, see if we can work a few pockets. We had one hit. Little guy. Looks like dude over there is doing really good with some bass. We'll see what we can do here in the clobbered area. All right, little guy. Tough work in this clobbered area, but we got a little guy. Looks like a little bass. Yep, little bass. Let's see how clobbered the place is. You got to work the pockets, and every once in a while you'll get one to hit. And other times you'll be taking off the algae. All right, let's see if we can scare something up here. There's usually a bluegill or two kind of hiding. There's something chasing it. All right, he took it. All right, let's see what he is. Yep, bluegill. Cool beans. Okay, we've got that one. Let's see if we can get another one to hit. This little bluegill hanging out in the shallows. We're just kind of working these open pockets. There's a hit. Let's see if we can get one in that open pocket. There. There's a hit. Ah, missed him. So, got to deal with a lot of algae, so bear with us here. Just get this off, and then we'll recast and see if we can hit another pocket. There's one pocket that's pretty far out there, and with this gadget head, we should be able to hit it. First, we're going to go up close and see if we can get something to hit up close, and then we'll start working a little bit further out. So you're fishing away, and you have people walk right behind you, right in your back cast zone. Doesn't make sense to me. All right, we got another one, but we're gonna have to call it quits here. A lot of algae, and we actually have a honeybee to take care of, so I think we were supposed to take care of it earlier, but hey, fish were biting. All right, cool beans.
Got one on a damselfly, little sunfish.